her skipper, Ruchita Sangvi. We are in all readiness. Like always, the first over will be bowled by Shaili Jha. नई सोच के साथ खेलना होगा थोड़ा सा स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स ने, एक नए अप्रोच के साथ, एक नए एटीट्यूड के साथ. प्ले टाइम. Shaili was brilliant with the ball yesterday. The first runs of the morning that comes off the blade of Nisha. The first extras as well. It was a side match. Ruchita is a terrific fighter player. That was straight down Swati's throat. Unfortunately, she misses it. Ruchita gets a life. There was no run in it. Fortunately for Nisha, there was a fumble, and that is what saved the day for her. They have taken a referral for the foot no ball just in case, just to check. That if she's out, that could be a very prized wicket. A tremendous player. She will be back. The finger has gone up. The new batter, Saras Gupta. Even if it would have been a no ball, Ruchita, you would have been box out. That was a fair delivery. Good morning to Amrish Bhai Javeri. And the rest of the people, supporters have come out early morning, Sunday morning. Sabhi ko Suprabhat. Swati will be bowling her first over. Nisha on strike. Zero for one after 1 over. Swati is the key all-rounder for the Nike Warriors. The opening batter and the opening bowler. Shaili Giles, that fantastic bowler in the lineup of team Nike Warriors. Good morning to Mr. Mundra. स्वागत है पवन मुंद्रा का. Oh, well bowled. And Akshata, the captain, is somebody who always exhibits so much of energy. A very important game for Nike Warriors as well. That wasn't too far away from Payal Naik. Saras on strike. The score at the moment at the end of 2 overs is 3-for-1. After 2 overs, 3-for-1 it is. They have to make their way to something in the region of 25. Anyhow. One more single comes along the way. With that single, the score is on to 4 now. Very well bowled. Payal comes into the attack. She's the owner of the team, Nike Warriors. Good shot, very good shot. That was well struck, well timed. 5-for-1. तीन ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद 6 रन. 6-for-1. At the moment, they have things under control, but Star Strikers has got enough time left to make a fight out of it. Trisha Talati. She's bowling in the right areas. Left arm over the wicket. Well played by Nisha. That single takes the score to 7. It's a good start for Trisha. The backup job done by Swati, the recovery job. That single takes the score to 9. In the meantime, warm welcome to Mr. Dipesh Nigam from Dhanlakshmi Group, our sponsor for the EPL. Such a good looking shot. She's starting to look very good now. Saras, these two batters really hold the key. They have to carry on. Somehow they need to make their way past 25. You get something in the region of 27-28. That should be a fighting total. Such a tidy over from Trisha. Not a single extra given away, putting the ball in the right area. Bhagwati now comes into bowl. That was a fortunate single for Saras. Very fortunate one. They need to keep picking up the singles along the journey. And to pick the singles, you have to play the ball into the gap with soft hands. They are living dangerously here, the batters of Star Strikers. That's a no ball, so 2 important runs accumulated. It's going to be a free hit. That goes to Nisha. The free hit, 14 for 1. They are marching along now. A good resurrection job being done by both these batters. Team Star Strikers are up and away. Oh, that is so well placed by Nisha. Well done by Swati. Both the teams are now playing a good brand of cricket now. 15 for 1. Over number 5. Oh, she's looking very aggressive today morning, Saras. 2 more runs, just the kind of over that Star Strikers wanted. Oh, that should have been stopped by Bhagwati. She did the hard work. .5 overs, 18 for 1. छठे ओवर की एक गेंद अभी भी बाकी है. अच्छी पार्टनरशिप है ये, गुड पार्टनरशिप. Bhagwati's line and length is not bad, but she's bowled a few no balls in this over. Her line and length has been good. She just needs to make sure that she does not bowl the extras. She's very experienced, Bhagwati. Nisha is now well set. She's watching the ball very closely. 5 ओवर के बाद 21 रन्स बन चुके. They are right back in the match. The momentum is starting to build up for the Star Strikers team. That is such a good recovery job by Saras and Nisha. 5 ओवर के बाद 21 रन, केवल एक ही विकेट खोया है. एक अच्छी स्थिति में पहुंचती हुई टीम Star Strikers, but they need to make sure that they do not lose any wicket now. They have done the hard work. They need to stay on course, and to stay on course, they have to make sure that they do not lose any wicket now after the good work. Trisha back into the attack to bowl the second over. When will Akshata bowl her overs? Left arm over the wicket. Nisha on strike. This is the right field. (22). (23). वेलकम टू आदित्य एंड सौरभ, दोनों का स्वागत है. Nisha is playing a Paisa Vasool innings. She's well set now. Saras is exhibiting a aggressive streak. Both the batters are playing some smart cricket. A dot ball after quite some time. भाग मिल्खा भाग, बहुत ही लेट कॉल दिया लेकिन रन बना लिया अंत में. 6 ओवर के बाद 27 रन. नाउ दिस इज ऑलरेडी अ फाइटिंग टोटल. 12 गेंद अभी भी बाकी है. 12 गेंदों में 10-12 रन बना लेते हैं तो मेरे ख्याल से एक बहुत ही अच्छी स्थिति में ये टीम जाएगी. नेहा अग्रवाल है क्या? Swati holds on to dear life. -5. A little bit of the hard work undone, but yes, she's played such a good innings. And in comes Rima Talati to bat now. A good knock by Nisha. Good knock. Very good knock. Takes the team into some kind of respectability. The score is 22-2 after the deduction. Not a bad score. Still 11 balls to go. 11 balls to go. Neha Agarwal picks up a wicket with her first delivery. So not a bad start for Neha. What a good call from Saras. इसे कहते हैं आंखों से काजल चुरा लेना. वो रन था ही नहीं वहां पर, उसके बावजूद बड़ी आसानी से उस रन को प्राप्त किया. 4 फील्डर्स लगाए तलाटी के उस फेवरेट लेग साइड शॉट को रोकने के लिए. So yes, they are putting in a lot of thinking into the game. Oh, ball bachi. That was fortunate. That wasn't far away from the stumps. 23. Swati does such a good job. After taking that catch, she's all pumped up. 24 for 2, 6.4 overs. Star strikers have to be very tight now. They have to tighten up the game. That kind of a length is a very good length for Talati. 25. One more ball to go in this 7th over. Such a good over by Neha Agarwal. What a run taken. That was stolen, not taken. Somehow, Rima Talati goes to that other end safely. 7 ओवर के बाद 26 रन है. They have taken a review for the run out. 7 के बाद चले रिव्यू के बाद स्कोर देते हैं. नॉट आउट. तो दोस्तों 7 ओवर के बाद 26 रन बने हैं 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर. नॉट आउट. 7 overs 26. So now it will be the compulsory super over. Is it? Yes, so the indication of the super over comes in. It's going to be Shaili Jha as was expected. She kind of owns that territory. कि वो 2 overs Shaili करेगी, super over Shaili करेगी. She's the pick of the bowlers. She's got that wicket taking ability. ना वो -10 न मिले उस बात की खबरदारी लेनी होगी स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स ने. दैट शुड बी द मैच टेम्पलेट. -10 नहीं देने हैं बस. Nike Warriors is a fantastic team. They've already tasted success. एक मैच जीता एक मैच हारा है Nike Warriors ने. Trisha gets a foot to the ball, but 2 runs added, 2 important runs. (28) 5 to go. Talati on strike, facing Shaili. Yes, thoda sa need to show some urgency. That's a wide, so 2 more runs, important runs, welcome runs. 30. Oh, 4 to go, 4 to go. Oh, Trisha Talati misses a seater. That's a gift that she's given away of 10 runs. With that couple, the score on to 32. Rima Talati wants to win this match. She wins to win all the battles in life. Clean bowled, oh my word. I mentioned earlier that Shaili has got the knack of picking up wickets. She's the bowler with the golden arm. -10. That terrific knock from Saras comes to an end. Unfortunately, getting out at the wrong time. I got to say that she gets out at the wrong time. -10. They come down to 22, but still 22 is defendable, if you ask me. 2 to go. The final 2 balls. 22 after making the deduction of 10. The score is 22. Anuradha comes in. Now she's got to just survive the last ball. She does well. She does well. A good over from Shaili. She picks up that -10. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 23 रन्स बनाने होंगे. अगले 2 मिनटों में हम सेकेंड हाफ को शुरू करेंगे. Nike Warriors are the girls on a mission. They've got good talent and experience in their team. Oh yes, Aditya is the strategist for Nike Warriors. अगर किसी को हक है स्ट्रैटेजी देने का तो वो केवल कैलाश प्रजापति को है. 3 मैचेस हारने के बाद जो वापसी की है शानदार. मैंने कल ही कहा था कि दे कुड बी द डार्क हॉर्स टीम. वो जो 4 मैचेस जीते उसके चलते जल्दी उठकर आए हैं. Pavan Mundra's team is out of the tournament. They played so well. They played fighting cricket right through. Chargers had also gained some momentum yesterday. Swati is the key all-rounder for the team. She looks like a professional player, Swati. Star strikers have put up a good total on the board. Now how they bowl and defend, that is what is very important. They have to come out like a team on a mission. For the next 35 minutes, they have to be spot on. They got to put their best foot forward. Was a very good partnership from Nisha and Saras. Saras का जो विकेट गिरा लास्ट ओवर में वो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लमैटिक हो सकता है. All set. Rima to bowl the first over. Oh, they drop a sitter. Jalpa drops a straightforward catch. You got to convert these chances. Your life depends on this 35 minutes. Arushi survives. Not a bad start by Rima. She opens her account. 2 for none. Over number 1 is on its way. Arushi on strike. The half chances need to be converted. I know it's difficult, not easy for the girls to take all these catches. स्वयं कप्तान रुचिता स्ट्राइक पर है आरुषि, नॉन स्ट्राइकिंग एंड पर है स्वाति. द गेम ऑन, द मैच ऑन. अच्छी गेंद. Well fielded, well fielded. Ruchita is a rock solid player, all rounder, key all rounder. She never looked like taking the catch. Oh, that is smart running. They steal the second run as well. Is it going to be Arushi's day? We'll have to wait and watch. The score 5. Very well bowled. She's bowling the leg spinners, putting the ball in the right area. Clean bowled. That was looking on the cards. She picks up a very important wicket. -5. Nike Warriors go into the negative at the moment. Now they are 0 for 1 at the moment. 1 ball to go. The match template for Team Star Strikers is to keep up picking wickets at regular intervals. In comes Trisha Talati. She looks very positive. Just look at the swag. She's very confident about her game. She really bowled well. She dropped 1 catch, so she will be looking to make amends. Can Swati and Trisha take their team to glory? There should be a good battle. Ruchita versus Trisha. Out of the box. That's a no ball, but for a no ball you are box out. नो बॉल तो थी लेकिन बॉक्स आउट होकर पेविलियन में वापस त्रिशा. अनफॉर्चुनेटली -5. Now straight away into the negative now. Just what the doctor ordered. Exactly the kind of start that they wanted. -4. She's on a no. Chandini comes into bat. That's a free hit. बिल्कुल परफेक्ट स्टांस है चांदनी का. बहुत ही अच्छा स्टांस है. End of a very successful over from the skipper Ruchita. 2 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद -3 है. Muna now comes into the attack. Swati on strike. Oh, very well fielded. Everything happening out there. Yeses and nos. She's dismissed. She's dismissed. Three dots, 3 dots. So this is where you got to put your, you got to apply your mind. This is what she missed out on. This is where the think tank has to come into play. Somebody had to give her that call from the sidelines. Nobody gave the call. So that's a big mistake on the part of Nike Warriors. Somebody had to point that out to her. In comes Akshata. Akshata is a very positive player, very, very positive player. At the moment, -7. 23 is the target, so 30 more to win. That's a complete dead, the right call, complete dead. They have started in right earnest, Team Star Strikers. It's a good start to the defense. Two balls to go, -7 it is, 2 balls to go. She's taken a review for the no ball. She's not the one to miss out on a trick. That's an interesting referral. An interesting review that she's taken. That could be an interesting review. Good thinking by Akshata. It's not a no ball, a fair delivery. The second run taken, good running. That wasn't far away from Kushu, inside the circle. That went past her, that's the over. Score after 3 overs, -4. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 23 रन बनाने, यानी कि अब 27 बनाने होंगे 24 गेंदों में. 24 balls and 27 runs to win the match. -4 इस वजह से अब 27 बनाने हैं. और Rima to Akshata. Oh, that is a super over taken, and to bowl the super over it is Ruchita. Akshata on strike. Now this over could decide which way this match goes. जो भी हो, पता नहीं ओवर में क्या होगा, लेकिन बहुत ही सही समय पे सुपर ओवर का चयन किया है. That is perfect timing. What happens is a different thing, but the choice of the super over is perfect. वो सुपर ओवर तब लेना है जब आपके फ्रंट लाइन प्लेयर्स विकेट पे है. जीरो पर आ चुकी है, 0 for 3. अब एक नई शुरुआत करनी होगी, फ्रेश गार्ड लेकर, नई सोच के साथ. Saras goes inside the circle. Anuradha drops back. Very good running, very good running. Good call from Akshata. There was a run in it. Definitely good running. Oh, 4 for 3. 19 more required. 19 रनों की जरूरत है और 6 for 3, one ball to go. The blame game is on. 4 ओवर के बाद 8 रन इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. अब 24 गेंदों में 15 रन बनाने हैं केवल. Only 15. They are back in the match. They have negotiated the super over safely. अब आगे जाके चलिए. -10 की तो कोई चिंता नहीं है. -5 की तलवार अभी भी लटकती हुई. यस, अगला मैच होगा सिलेक्टिव 11. कांता प्रजापति, Priti Bhandari, you need to give your squad list. Akshata is the fastest runner between the wickets in the women's category. That is also a no ball. It's a free hit now to Chandini. Well bowled, well bowled. Twelve for 3. Oh, she's made a blunder. She knows it. A miscut shot out of the box. She knows it. She's made a mistake. Unfortunately, -5. They come down to 7. Requesting selective 11 women's team, please give your squad list, Priti Bhandari, so that we can add the names on the app. She's here. 7 for 4 after 4.4. They have come out with a better purpose today morning, Star Strikers. Shailija, can she save the day for the team? She's the bowling all-rounder, but she's got to do the job with the bat now. The score is 7 for 4 after 4.4. 16 रन्स बनाने हैं और 16 रन्स और बनाने हैं. बीस गेंदों में 16. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. There's a bit of confusion. 3 balls have gone. 3 to go. 3 to go. Straight away off the mark. This is the shot that the girls have to learn to play consistently into that covers vision for a single. Tension in the air, mind games being played. This is Shaili's favorite bat. She cannot do without it. Score after 5 is 11. 9. 10 for 4 after 5. 10 for 18 गेंदों में इस मैच को जीतने के लिए 13 रन्स बनाने हैं. 13 to win of 18 balls. In comes Rima Talati. The batter on strike is Shailija. The match on. Very delicately poised. It's all about holding your nerves. Pressure situation. -5, good bit of work. Ruchita is the star all-rounder. Unfortunately for Chandni, she was looking good. She gets out. So you have to be very decisive in your calling also. Calling भी काफी important है. हर पहलू पे ध्यान देना होता है. लेकिन सलाह में जो spirit women cricketers ने दर्शाया है, that is exemplary. In comes the team owner, Payal Naik. छह पे 5, 17 more to win. Payal on strike. Straight away off the mark. Well struck, well struck. Oh, well fielded as well by Kushu. Oh, what? How do I describe that shot? Eight for 5. Well done. 6 ओवर के बाद 9 रन यानी कि 12 गेंदों में इस मैच को जीतने के लिए अब 14 बनाने हैं. 14 to win of 12 balls. Still in the hunt. They got to believe in themselves. Shaili can really play on the offside. She can play with a straight bat. ये आखिरी उम्मीद की किरण है ये दोनों बल्लेबाज और दोनों सक्षम है. It's going to be Jalpa to bowl, Jalpa to Payal. 9 for 5 after 6. 12 गेंदों में 14 बनाने हैं. Three singles of 3 deliveries, so not a bad start for Payal Naik. Well played. उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. अभी भी डटी हुई है टीम नाइक वॉरियर्स. Oh, under pressure she gives away an extra run. Welcome run. Very important. 13 for 5. 10 to win of 8 balls. 8 गेंदों में 10 रन बनाने हैं. सेवन 10. 7 में 10. They are having a chat in the middle, and that second run is stolen. Very good running by Payal. End of 7 overs, 15. 8 रन चाहिए अब आखिरी 6 गेंदों में. 6 balls and 8 runs to win the match. Everybody at the edge of their seats. Looks like it's going to be Saras to bowl the last over. Rimal Talati does not mind talking to the opponents. She's always game for a chat out there in the middle. Tension in the air as Payal पांच में 8. Oh, that's a no ball, a free hit. 5 में 7. Wait, complete dead. It's a free hit. Payal, not to worry. She was already walking back. Oh, they had got a chance and they take that second run. अभी भी रोमांच बरकरार है. Every run is being cheered. 3 में 5 चाहिए इस मैच को जीतने के लिए दोस्तों. ये आलम है. 3 balls, 5 to win. 3 balls and 5 to win. Can Shaili do the needful? Oh, well played. एक में तीन चाहिए, एक में तीन चाहिए। नो बॉल के लिए रिव्यू लिया है शाइली ने। चलिए, दे आर नॉट टेकिंग एनी चांसेस, दे आर नॉट मिसिंग आउट एनी ट्रिक इन द बुक। आईपीएल देख देख कर आईपीएल की तैयारी करते हैं। 20 for 5. Not a bad over under pressure by Saras so far. देखना है कि कौन सी टीम इस मैच को जीतती है। अगर स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स इस मैच को जीतती है तो फिर मेरे ख्याल में दे विल सेलिब्रेट एज इफ दे वन द ट्रॉफी। वो सेलिब्रेशन देखने लायक होगा अगर ये मैच स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स जीतती है तो। दूसरी तरफ नाइक वॉरियर्स अभी के पास अभी भी मौका है। पता नहीं टाई पे क्या होगा, आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली द रूल्स। टाई के लिए सुपर ओवर, पवन भाई, सुपर ओवर इन केस ऑफ अ टाई, इट्स अ फेयर डिलीवरी। आखिरी गेंद पर 3 रन चाहिए। पायल नाइक द ओनर। और ये नो बॉल है, बाल बाल बचे हैं, बाल बाल बचे। चलिए, द स्कोर्स आर लेवल हो चुके हैं, मैच का पासा पलट चुका है। Who would have thought कि ये ऐसा हो सकता है? Oh my God, this is unbelievable. 22 रन बन चुके हैं, 22 रन। रिव्यू लिया है, वेस्ट हाई फुल टॉस के लिए लेना ही था। रुचिता के पास और कोई विकल्प भी तो नहीं था। ये आखिरी उम्मीद है रिव्यू के रूप में। अब वो सिंगल रोकना होगा। अगर ये मैच टाई होता है तो सुपर ओवर में अभी भी जा सकता है। ये मैच हारने का तो अब सवाल नहीं है, अनलेस एंड अनटिल द रिव्यू गोस अगेंस्ट देम। What a match. This has to be one of the best matches of the tournament. No, it's a no ball. The scores are level, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. 1 run to win the match. Shailija has put her feet down firmly. It's all over. Just look at Shaili. Oh my God, just look at Shaili. That tells you the story of the match. A free hit है। Nike Warriors win the match. The odds were against them. केवल 2 गेंदों पहले ऐसे लग रहा था कि स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स इस मैच को जीत जाएगी। यह अनिश्चितताओं का खेल है। दिस हैज टू बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मैचेस इन द टूर्नामेंट। चलिए, अगला मैच शुरू करते हैं। सिलेक्टिव 11 और माफ कीजिएगा, सिलेक्टिव थोड़ा सा ब्रेक है। यस, 15 मिनट्स ब्रेक, 15 मिनट्स का ब्रेक है गाइस। ये अब वो जो टीम टॉक होगी स्टार स्ट्राइकर्स के कैंप में, वो बहुत ही जबरदस्त होने वाली है। दे ट्राइड देयर बेस्ट। व्हाट अ क्रिकेट मैच, व्हाट अ मैच, सुपर मैच। We will get started after 15-20 minutes. Arushi knows that they have won the battle, so she's quite relieved. बिल्कुल मायूस है, बिल्कुल हताश है. Rima Talati is disappointed. Never mind. You have played such